Hello sweet friends, it's me, Indiana Jones, and this is my channel Crafting with Indiana Jones, and today I am catching up with some last minute gift ideas using the Ortur Laser Master 3. So let's get started with some last minute Christmas gifts. Because I have the Ortur Laser Master 3, I thought it would be a wonderful idea to give my coworkers individual and personalized coasters for each one of them. I think this is a great idea, and I love the fact that I can give them these rustic coasters that they can use at home or at work for their coffee cups or their mugs of water, whatever they like. At least they have something that's personalized and comes straight from the heart from me. So here are these 3 coasters. Now I made a total of 24 coasters, and it took no time at all with the Laser Master 3. I was so impressed at how quickly I can personalize these wonderful gifts. And imagine giving a whole set of coasters to one family, and it has each of the family members' names on it. So it is a wonderful idea to create something that's personalized and that you can't just get at a store. I got these rounds at Amazon, and I'll have the link below. I think this is a great gift idea for anyone on the go. For this project, I used the Ortur Laser Master 3 at the speed of 3000 millimeters per minute and power at 45%. And I can tell you that everyone enjoyed receiving their personalized coasters at the party. I decided to create a hostess gift for my boss and her husband, and I think she really enjoyed receiving this lovely little charcuterie board. Since she was having an appetizer type of cocktail affair, this was an absolutely perfect gift. And it was such a simple Christmas design, but it's also a design they can use all throughout the winter season. So I hope that she really did enjoy it. She was very surprised to know that I had created this by hand. And imagine how impressed your friends and family will be when they see that you've taken the time to really create something that's personalized and special just for them. And as you can see here, this little charcuterie board is just a perfect little gift for any family or couple or even a single young person. I think they would really enjoy it. Once again, for this project, I used a speed of 3000 millimeters per minute and at a power of 45%. Now again, there is a learning curve to how to choose which materials and what settings to use on your light burn. And I did continue using light burn because I found it so easy to use. And there you have it, a lovely little personalized charcuterie board. Next, I didn't have necessarily a project, but just a test that I wanted to do on glass. Now this was very thin glass that you get in those frames from the Dollar Tree, and I wasn't very sure if it was going to be able to work. However, I did like the idea of having to do a background kind of image. So what I did here was I painted the glass black so that the laser would not reflect off of it back into the laser and hurt the machine. And here I created a castle where the laser was actually etching off the paint. And there you have this wonderful little, and it looks like a Disney castle. It's not necessarily a Disney castle, but I think it was a good first test of etching on glass. What do you think? I think this will become handy in some projects ahead. Now, using some thicker glass, I decided to create my own personalized dinnerware, I suppose a dessertware, and I thought it would be nice just to have an elegant snowflake design. These are Dollar Tree glass plates that I got. Now, if you were to buy this at the store, I'm sure a set of these would cost anywhere between, I don't know, $15 to $25 for a set of 8, let's say. And for me, it would only cost me, I don't know, for a full set of 8, how much is it? 25, so it'd be like $10, I suppose. And I think it's just lovely to be able to etch my own plates, my own dessert plates, with whatever design I would like. And actually, I liked it so much that I decided to give this as a gift to someone, and instead of keeping them for myself. So here are some nice dessert plates with a snowflake design that they can use for this Christmas and Christmas all throughout. And also for wintertime. I was really happy with it. Now again, I had to paint, and what I did was I painted the bottom of the plate on the outside of the plate. And I painted it black again because of the reflective surface. And all I had to do was use some acetone. It's 100% acetone to take off this spray paint. And this is a spray paint that you buy for 99 cents at Home Depot or at Walmart. And as you can see, it comes out perfectly fine and it does not damage the plate at all. And once it's all done, it just looks so pretty and so elegant. And no one would ever guess that this one little plate cost only $1.25 with that beautiful etching on the bottom. Now I have to tell you, having the Laser Master 3 from Ortur is really so much fun. So if you are still thinking of a gift for a friend that's into crafts, you should look into getting this Laser Master 3. Or even if you're thinking of maybe making some money on the side next year, this would be a great way to get a side business started at home. Here I'm using a tile instead of glass, and with the same concept of first painting it a color red on a white tile, it's a light red, like a terracotta red, and then covering it with matte black spray paint. You can see that I created this beautiful Harley Davidson logo coasters for a friend of mine. I wanted to memorialize my mom in a very special way. She passed away last year, and I wanted to create something that I could have on my tree for years to come. Here I'm taking this beautiful picture of my mom when she was younger, and I'm going to etch this into wood and create an ornament or some kind of memorial for her. And all I did was take her photograph and put it into the Lightburn software, and it was easy enough. Now, I'm sorry for the light, and if it bothers you, I really truly apologize, but I wanted you to see how quickly and how easily the Ortur Laser Master 3 can etch or can engrave on wood a picture. As long as it's a grayscale black and white picture, it really does such a beautiful job. And yes, as you can see, there is smoke involved because it is burning into the wood the image of my mother. But I think this is such a special way to memorialize her, not just, with a photo, that's easy enough, but just have it on a wooden ornament, I think is a beautiful, beautiful gift. So I'll be sharing this with my brothers. And there you have it. I've included all of the settings because learning the settings on the Ortur Laser Master 3 with the Lightburn software and their software as well is a learning curve that you just have to get used to. But it is well worth the opportunity to be able to create these wonderful personalized gifts to share with your friends and family this Christmas season. Thank you so much once again to Ortur for trusting me with their wonderful Laser Master 3. I was really a little intimidated, to be quite honest with you, but I'm so impressed at how quickly and how easily I've been able to create these wonderful projects. And to you, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. See you soon!